Hi, Tom.
Heyo.
Is that for an April Fool's Day prank?
Yay!
Hi there, Billy.
Hey.
Dane and Edna played an April Fool's prank on you? What do you think, Tom? Can you think of a fun way to get them back? What have we got here?
Hey.
A pie thrower. That will make for a great prank. Dane and Edna look like they're hard at work. They will never see this April Fool's prank coming. Bullseye! Now it's Edna's turn. Nice one, Tom. That was a fun prank and a tasty one, too. Oh, Billy, don't you think Dane and Edna have had enough? Billy, come now. It's all just meant to be good fun. Dane and Edna, run! Go after them, Tom. Billy is taking his prank too far and scaring his friends. The machine is going crazy. Billy, what have you done? What a mess. Can you help get the machine under control? It's okay, gang. Tom will fix it. Come on, Tom. You can do it. You did it. Now what? How do we clean all this up?
Hey.
A vacuum cleaner. What a great idea. Let's go clean this mess. It's okay, Billy. We all make mistakes. You're sorry for taking the prank too far, aren't you? Dane and Edna, do you forgive Billy? Great idea, you two. Why don't you all work together as a team to help Tom clean up? Last one. Take cover. Oh, Tom, you truly are the master prankster. Enjoy your snack, guys.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Hey. Hey-oh.
Help!
Baby Rocky is stuck, and there's a fire. Wow, Tom. A clone ray gun.
Hey.
Are you going to duplicate Frank?
Hey.
Cool.
Hey! Hey!
There's another Frank. And another. Look at all the Frank fire trucks helping out. Where are they going? These Franks are so helpful.
Hey!
More Franks? Can you stop them?
Hey. Hey.
A Frank eating vacuum. Good idea.
Yay.
Huh?
Hey. Yay. Hey.
Tom,
Hey.
where's the real Frank? Any idea how to get the real Frank back?
Hey.
Huh? Hey!
Welcome back, Frank.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey!
Ah.
Hey!
Good idea, Tom. More cupcakes.
Hey.
You look ready for Halloween, Tom. Jerry, do you want to join the fun? Tom, can you create a spooky costume?
Hey.
Jerry the Friendly Ghost. Such a great costume. Look at all the Halloween spirit. Jerry is floating. What a realistic ghost costume. No need to be scared. It's just a costume. How did Jerry float through that wall? It looks like Jerry is a not-so-friendly ghost. Oh, no. What are you going to do with their treats, Jerry? Jerry changed them into rocks. He has to be stopped. Follow the trail of jelly beans, Tom. Babies, watch out. The ghost is making a mess of Halloween. Oh, no. The ride is out of control. Tom, you have to stop the Ferris wheel. Car City needs your help, Tom. Way to go, Tom. Quick, Jerry is getting away with all the Halloween candy. You've got this, Tom. Jerry is back to himself again. Great aim. Amazing teamwork, Tom and Jerry. How are you going to give back all those stolen treats? Where are Tom and Jerry? Halloween is saved. Thanks, Tom.
Hey.
What was that? Marley stole the cupcake. Oh no, poor Matilda. Tom, who's going to protect the city? Robot Matilda.
Hey!
Don't worry, Matilda. The robot will take care of the city while Tom sorts you out. That's so much fun, guys. Oh, no. Robot thinks this game is too dangerous for you. This slide is going to be awesome, Chad. Robot says you can't do that. There's a water puddle at the bottom. Whoops. Sorry, Chad. You're under arrest. Why, robot policeman? Hi, Bobby. You want to go to the other side? No, Bobby is under the bridge. Oh no, he's trapped. Tom, the robot is doing a terrible job. Do something. Flying propellers. Amazing. Yes. Can you use full power, Tom?
Hey.
Matilda, you came back from the car wash. Let's fix this robot. Cheer up, babies. No robot can replace our Matilda Policewoman. Having fun with your gum bubbles? Tom, babies also want to create gum bubbles. Do you have some more chewing gum? Do you have an idea to help babies? Are those magic chewing gum balls? Wow, those magic chewing gums are making some giant bubbles. Why don't you also try the magic chewing gums? Wow, everyone seems to be enjoying your magic chewing gum, Tom. Oh no, Matilda. That gum is not getting off from your face. Massimo, will you help out? Oh no, Massimo. You are stuck to the gum. Tom, the magic gum is causing a mess. Has the gum bubble glued you together? You're almost there. Pull harder. Ouch! This giant bubblegum mass is getting dangerous. Tom, can you think of another invention? A super blower. Tom, how will the super blower clear this mess? You want to create a giant bubble with a super blower?
Hey.
Tom, now how will you bring the cars back down? You want to use the moss pistol to pop the bubble?
Hey.
Everyone be ready for your landing. Babies, are you ready? Phew. Everyone has landed safely. Great job, Tom. The amusement park is now gum-free. Well, not totally gum-free. Hi, Tom. Oh, I see. Watering some plants. Hi, baby. What's wrong? Ouch! Looks like the baby wants to be a real Spider-Man. Can you help him, Tom? A spiderweb pistol? Brilliant! It's time to try your new power, baby Spider-Man.
Hey.
Oh no! Baby Rocky has vertigo and he's too scared to fly down. Can't you help him, Tom? It really is too high. You're right. Look, Tom. Baby Spider-Man has an idea. Don't worry, Baby Rocky. Baby Spider-Man is going to help you. But how? You're using a spider web to secure Baby Rocky's flight? That could work. Are you ready, Baby Rocky? Go! Are you okay, Baby Spider-Man? Hold on. Oh no! Looks like Baby Rocky is having trouble with his landing. The spider web is about to break.
Mabadada. Ho ho ho.
What's wrong, baby Spider-Man?
Kasana matata.
Ya, papa. Manene, manene, manene.
You didn't realize it was that high?
Ya, manene, mana.
Oh no, your pistol isn't working anymore? Don't worry, Tom will find a solution.
Ho ho ho.
A helicopter propeller. Amazing. Ready for a ride? Open your eyes, baby spider. Look at the view. Thanks, Tom. Now baby Spider-Man will think twice before climbing this high. What are you doing, guys? You're using the helicopter to help Walter overcome his vertigo? See, baby Spider-Man, you don't need to put yourself at risk to be helpful.